guys, I'm bored. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me also.
Wait a minute. Where's Junior? Oh, hey guys. Why are you in a pipe? Oh, well, remember when you taught me how to use the warp pipe? Yeah. Well, I tried it out and, I got stuck. Oh, dang. Well, that kind of sucks. Anyways, what do you guys want to do? I don't know. I have an idea. Oh, what? We should go camping. Oh, yeah, that would be fun.
Alright, I guess we can go camping.
Alright, I guess I'm just gonna go down this warp pipe. Hup. Okay, me too. Hup.
Alright, I guess I'll go too. Can't even get in there.
We might just have to drive.
Yeah, you're right, Junior. Come on.
Well, that's convenient. Our camper's already set up. Yeah, you're right, Mario. It is already set up.
Oh, the camper's already set up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is. Anyways, can you guys try to get me out of this pipe? Sure. Got him out of the pipe. The pipe disappeared. We should have put a name tag on it from Minecraft. Alright, guys, well, I'm gonna go take a walk. Alright, well, I guess I'm going on a walk. So here are all the campsites. There's that campsite. There's this empty campsite. No, it's really nice. And the bug isn't really out this early, so I guess I'll go check out where the bathrooms are. Here they are. Well, I don't really need to go to the bathroom, but just want to check it out. You know. Wait, what's this? Our Bigfoot warning? Bigfoot. Run from Bigfoot. Do not run from Bigfoot, chase Bigfoot, yell at Bigfoot, feed Bigfoot. Do go about your business, take pictures, come to the Bigfoot hike. Bigfoot? No, Bigfoot will not enter an occupied camp. Bigfoot will not harm you. Report encounters to campground office with an ID of time and location. Bigfoot? I guess I'm gonna walk back. Walk. And I'm back. Yeah, that's how fast it is to get from our campsite to the bathrooms. Anyways. Hey, Luigi. What? I was going to the bathroom. And there was a sign saying Bigfoot was here. What?
Somebody say Bigfoot? I know Bigfoot isn't real.
Are you sure about that, Bowser?
Positive.
Are you guys hunting for Bigfoot without me?
No.
Okay. Hey, I heard they had a park here. I'm gonna go to the park and make some new friends. Because you guys are stupid and poopy adults. Well, I'm never going in a public restroom again, so I'm just gonna use this pipe to take a poo. Oh. Bowser, we have to go through that to get home. Here, let me just take some of this soap, and then let me just take some of this this wash rag, and let me just hey, Luigi.
What? Let's go look for Bigfoot.
But Mario,
just do it.
Okay.
All right, Luigi. Bigfoot is right over there.
Mario, are you sure?
Yes, Bigfoot is right over there.
It's Bigfoot! Sir, I am park staff. What are you doing?
Mario said you were Bigfoot.
I'm not Bigfoot. Oh, sorry. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a nap on this firewood.
See you next time!